Hello guys, this is Mario Son, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make Link in the Little Big Planet for PSP. First, start out with a regular normal Sackboy, then put on Maiden's Eyes, Robin's Hat, Fine Blonde Wig, Explorer's Boots, Silver Cinnabar, and there you go. And that's how you make a Link. Bye everyone.